This tutorial uses Google Chrome to browse EHR Central website. Alternately, you can also use Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. In this tutorial, you are going to learn user management including access hierarchy, and placing restrictions on data access in mHospital. Click on Settings from the top menu, and navigate to User Management in the left sidebar. Now you can see some of the users who have been already given access at various levels. Role in the fourth column shows the kind of access given to each user. To add a new user, click on this Add button and a pop-up shows up where you can add a user by using one's email. Note that this email would be used as login ID. Let's add an email real quick. Once you add a valid email and enter, a number of fields show up, where you need to provide all the requisite information about the new user. Scroll down a bit to see the roles and access restrictions associated with each role. You can read the description of each role, and pick one that suits best for the new user. Check one of the roles that you deem appropriate, and hit Create button at the bottom right of the pop-up form. A new user with the selected role would be created. EHR Central. Healthcare, anytime, anywhere.